In my petition, I never asked for them to be removed. That was not my prayer. And number two, when they decided to recuse themselves, I never asked them to recuse themselves because I knew of the quorum issues that a recusal from themselves would generate. All right? So why did they recuse themselves? By the time they're recusing themselves, the evidence and the affidavit which was before them had been recanted by bank officials. So there was no case. The question I'm asking is that why are they afraid to respond? In fact, I'm not even saying that whatever accusations I made at the Judicial Service Commission were right. If they are hot air, they should be dismissed as such. But I should be heard, and for 11 months, I have not talked about those things because whatever is before the Judicial Service Commission is sub judice. I should not talk about it. But some of the judges have gone public and talking about these cases, which they themselves have brought before the before the High Court, and that case is before the Judicial Service Commission. They are judges. They should not be talking about it.